Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this CodeBit, I will show you how to serialize your machine learning model. Let's jump right into it. Let's say you made a machine learning model to predict stock prices. You are done training your model with the desired accuracy, and now you want to use the model on a different script or share it with the production team. This is where model serialization comes in. The serialization refers to the process of converting your Python object, in our case, the machine learning model, to a shareable format which you can later load on a different script and make predictions with. To do so, we will be using a Python package called Joblib. You could also use Pickle, but Joblib is more optimized, efficient, and faster than Pickle. To use Joblib at your current Jupyter notebook, go to a cell, type ! pip install Joblib. Make sure to remove this line after executing the cell. Now type import Joblib to include it to your project. Now let's execute the cell. As you can see, the package is already installed in my notebook, and the import was successful. If you are installing it for the first time, it will take a few seconds to get installed and to complete the import. Now let's go to another cell and serialize our model. Type joblib.dump. You have to pass two parameters in this function, one of which is your model object, and the second one is a file name with job or joblib extension. In my case, the file name is predictionModel.job. Once you execute this cell, you will see your serialized model file has appeared in your project folder. Now you can use your model in any project. But one most important thing to note here is that you have to make sure that necessary data science packages are installed in your project development environment. In other words, every module you used in your Jupyter notebook to create your model has to be installed on your new project. To use your serialized model, you have to load the model into your project. To load the model, type joblib.load, your saved model file name, which in our case is predictionModel.job, and assign the loaded object to a variable, for example, saved model. Let's try to make a prediction using our model. Okay, so I have to pass the features as 2D array. As you can see, we got our results based on features used to train our model. The warning message saying that our parameters doesn't have feature names like it had on the training data. I will link a Stack Overflow post in the description below for a solution, but you can ignore the warning if you wish to. That's all for today. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.